I just finished fully servicing this vintage Reuge double singing bird cage. This was the fanciest model that they ever made. Heavy relief scenes all the way around the bottom base. And out of all the ones that I've had, and I've had several of this model throughout the years, this is by far the nicest condition. The bird feathers are incredibly bright and vivid and full. The foliage is in nice shape, and the case itself just sparkles with warmth. And this would be gold plated. So let's hear it play. I'm gonna start off on the pause feature so you can see that the bellows are airtight. So the birds will sing, pause, sing, pause. There's a very long pause. We'll do one more pause, then I'll move to continuous. And what this does is it allows the bird cage to sing for a much longer period of time on one wind. I'm going to move it to continuous now. So as you can see in here, this bird cage operates flawlessly. Both birds open and close their beaks, flap their tails, rotate their heads left to right, and the entire body also rotates from left to right. Absolutely stunning condition. I'm going to turn it off here. And then that was the air escaping from the bellows when I turned it off. In summary, really a wonderful, wonderful vintage Reuge singing bird cage. And really the nicest that I've seen. Take care.